Imagination is the ability to see the invisible. Faith is the power to make the unseen become visible. Neville Goddard. Understanding how to plan the game of life requires a profound grasp of the principles that govern our existence. It's not merely about reacting to external circumstances, but actively shaping them through an internal alignment of thought and intention. At the heart of this approach is the realization that our inner world directly influences our outer experiences. By mastering this, we can effectively play the game of life and direct it towards our desired outcomes. The first key to playing this game successfully is recognizing that you are the creator of your reality. Life is not a series of random events that happen to you. Rather, it is a reflection of your inner state. This realization empowers you to take full responsibility for your experiences. When you understand that your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings shape your reality, you gain control over the course of your life. This control comes not from trying to force outcomes, but from aligning your inner self with the reality you wish to experience. One of the most powerful tools in this process is imagination. Imagination is not merely a way to escape reality, but a crucial mechanism for creating it. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes, you are effectively programming your subconscious mind to work towards them. The key is to imagine with emotion and belief, as if the desired reality is already a part of your current experience. This practice helps to align your subconscious mind with your conscious desires, leading to a more coherent and directed manifestation process. Another essential element is maintaining a positive and persistent mindset. The game of life often requires patience and persistence. Challenges and setbacks are part of the process, but they do not define your ultimate outcome. By maintaining a positive attitude and persisting in your efforts, you continue to reinforce your goals and keep yourself aligned with your desired reality. It's important to remind that setbacks are not failures, but opportunities for growth and refinement of your approach. Belief plays a central role in this process. What you believe to be true about yourself and your circumstances has a direct impact on what you experience. To effectively play the game of life, you must cultivate a belief system that supports your goals and aspirations. This involves not only holding positive beliefs about yourself, but also challenging and transforming any limiting beliefs that may hinder your progress. By aligning your beliefs with your desired outcomes, you enhance your ability to manifest your goals. Visualization is another powerful tool in shaping your reality. It involves creating a clear and detailed mental image of your desired outcome. This practice helps to focus your mind and align your energy with your goals. Visualization should be done regularly and with great attention to detail, as if you are living the experience in your mind. This technique helps to reinforce your intentions and maintain a strong connection between your inner vision and your outer reality. In addition to visualization, affirmations can reinforce your goals and intentions. Affirmations are positive statements that reflect your desired outcomes and reinforce your belief in them. Repeating affirmations regularly helps to embed these beliefs into your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts and feelings with your desired reality. It's important that these affirmations are stated in the present tense and reflect a sense of certainty and belief in their realization. Gratitude is another crucial element in playing the game of life. Cultivating a sense of gratitude helps to shift your focus from what you lack to what you have already achieved. This shift in perspective not only enhances your overall well-being, but also reinforces a positive mindset that attracts more of what you desire. By regularly practicing gratitude, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance and attract more positive experiences into your life. The principle of detachment is also vital. While it is important to be clear about your goals and to work towards them with intention, it is equally important to remain detached from the outcome. This means not becoming overly attached to specific results or timelines. Instead, focus on the process and the alignment of your thoughts and feelings with your goals. By doing so, you allow the universe to bring about the best possible outcomes in a way that is often beyond your direct control. The power of intention cannot be overstated. Setting clear and specific intentions helps to direct your energy and focus towards your goals. Intentions act as a roadmap, guiding your actions and decisions in alignment with your desired outcomes. By setting powerful intentions, you create a clear path for your desires to manifest and ensure that your actions are consistently directed towards achieving them. To deepen our understanding of how to play the game of life effectively, it's essential to explore the concept of alignment in greater detail. Alignment is not just about setting goals and visualizing success. It's about harmonizing every aspect of your being with the reality you wish to create. This means that your thoughts, emotions, actions, and even your environment should all reflect and support your desired outcomes. A crucial aspect of achieving this alignment is self-awareness. Knowing yourself deeply, understanding your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and fears allows you to tailor your actions and decisions to better fit your true self. This self-awareness guides you in making choices that are not only beneficial but also fulfilling. When you act in accordance with your authentic self, you naturally align with the flow of life, making it easier to manifest your goals. Another important factor in alignment is energy management. Everything in the universe operates on different frequencies or vibrations, and your personal energy plays a significant role in the manifestation process. By maintaining a high vibration through positive thoughts, healthy habits, and meaningful relationships, you increase your resonance with your desired outcomes. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and positive affirmations can help you keep your energy aligned with your goals. In addition, the concept of letting go of resistance is vital. Resistance often arises from fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs that create internal conflict and hinder progress. Recognizing and addressing these sources of resistance allows you to overcome them and move forward with greater ease. Techniques such as journaling, therapy, or energy healing can assist in identifying and releasing these barriers, allowing you to maintain a clear and focused path towards your objectives. Moreover, creating a supportive environment can greatly impact your success. Surrounding yourself with people, spaces, and influences that uplift and inspire you reinforces your commitment to your goals. This supportive environment acts as a catalyst for positive change and provides the encouragement and resources you need to thrive, whether it's through nurturing relationships or curating your physical space. Ensuring that your surroundings align with your aspirations enhances your ability to achieve them. Engaging in continuous personal growth is another important aspect of playing the game of life. Personal growth involves expanding your skills, knowledge, and perspectives to better align with your goals. This growth process keeps you dynamic and adaptable, enabling you to navigate changes and seize opportunities as they arise. By committing to lifelong learning and self-improvement, you enhance your ability to play the game of life effectively and achieve your desired outcomes. As we draw to a close, it's important to reflect on the fundamental aspects of playing the game of life effectively. Throughout this discussion, we've explored the intricate dynamics of aligning with your true self, managing your energy, and navigating through resistance and surrender. Understanding these principles equips you to approach your goals with clarity and confidence. Self-awareness serves as the cornerstone of this approach, allowing you to make choices that resonate with your authentic desires. By tuning into your strengths and challenges, you create a path that feels right and manageable. This self-knowledge is the first step towards ensuring that your actions are in harmony with your true objectives. Energy management plays a critical role too. Maintaining a positive, high vibration enhances your connection with your goals and keeps you aligned with your desired outcomes. Practices that uplift your spirit, such as meditation and positive affirmations, support this high energy state, enabling you to attract the experiences and opportunities you seek. Addressing and releasing resistance is another key aspect. Internal conflicts such as fears and doubts often act as barriers to progress. By acknowledging these barriers and working to overcome them, you clear the path for smoother advancement towards your goals. Techniques like journaling or therapy can be particularly effective in this regard. Surrendering control over what cannot be changed and focusing on what you can influence is an essential practice. Trusting in the process and letting go of the need to micromanage every detail opens up space for the universe to bring you solutions and opportunities beyond your expectations. Resilience is crucial for maintaining momentum. The ability to recover from setbacks and keep moving forward is what differentiates those who achieve their goals from those who give up. Building resilience through a positive outlook and adaptability prepares you to handle challenges effectively. Creating a supportive environment, whether through relationships or physical spaces, reinforces your efforts and provides the necessary encouragement and resources. Surrounding yourself with positivity and inspiration helps to sustain your motivation and align your surroundings with your ambitions. Engaging in personal growth keeps you dynamic and adaptable. Lifelong learning and self-improvement ensure that you remain prepared to seize new opportunities and overcome obstacles. Celebrating even small successes helps to build confidence and maintain a positive mindset, reinforcing your commitment to your goals. Incorporating these principles into your approach will not only help you navigate the complexities of life, but also guide you towards achieving your aspirations. Your path to success is a reflection of your alignment, energy, resilience, and growth. By applying these concepts, you can enhance your ability to manifest your desires and lead a fulfilling life. If you found these insights helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your support is invaluable and helps us continue bringing you valuable content. You can also share this video with friends who might benefit from these teachings and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for more content that will help you master the art of creating your ideal life. Your engagement is greatly appreciated.